What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car speakers on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered for more information on the products. I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Kicker Car Speakers. The 46 ESC SC654 speakers from Kicker are among the top choices available. Even though they rank 9th, they're known for their reliability and impressive sound quality, especially in bass. They boast a sturdy motor and magnet structure, along with extended voice coil EVC tech for rich low tones. These speakers are made to fit into most cars thanks to their slim design. They have a strong stamped steel frame supporting a tough polypropylene cone, AIM cone, and zero protrusion P tweeters. Their UV-treated polyfoam surround helps them endure heat and sunlight. Plus, they handle high frequencies well, ensuring consistent performance. The CS series delivers remarkable performance and ultra-clean bass, utilizing a heavy-duty motor magnet structure with EVC extended voice coil for even deeper lows. By drastically reducing the mounting depth, CS series coaxial and three-way speakers will fit in nearly every make and model of vehicle on the road today. The perfect upgrade from your factory sound. A stamped steel framework supports a rigid polypropylene cone and zero protrusion pay tweeters. UV-treated polyfoam surround resists heat or direct sunlight. Neodymium tweeter magnets allow for increased volume and high frequencies. In our list, the number 4 product name is RECOIL Car Audio Component Speaker System. Echo Series 6.5 component speaker system. Peak power 200 watts pair, RMS power 100 watts pair. Lightweight thermoform polypropylene cones enable faster mid-range response. Surround cone coupling utilizes a high-temp adhesive which assure the cone and surround do not separate in high power uses. Butyl rubber surrounds provide durability and deeper mid-bass impact. Silk soft dome tweeters feature oversized voice coils for greater heat dissipation and higher power handling, resulting in smooth, fatigue-free highs. The mount allows unparalleled flexibility whether you flush or surface mount your tweeters. A triple-level tweeter volume adjustment helps compensate for less than perfect speaker placement and can even be set to suit your personal listening preference and musical taste. Ferrite magnet motor creates a strong magnetic field while remaining small enough to fit nearly every application. In our list, the number 3 product name is DS18 Car Speaker. DS18 is a company known for making top quality audio equipment designed specifically for cars. Among their products, the 6.5 audio door speakers is highly praised by users. These speakers excel at delivering excellent stereo surround sound for your vehicle. The most important part of the speakers is its mid-range driver that makes the vocal and musical parts sound great. The driver is also responsible for producing clear audio for different spectrums of sound waves. The speakers have 500 W peak power along with 250 W RMS power, which enables them to cover a wide range of audio effectively. If you are looking for the best door speakers for bass, you can choose DS18 speaker. The 1.5-inch Captain voice coil of the speakers can withstand high temperature, and the bullet dust cover enhances the durability of the speakers. The frequency range is 125 Hz to 12 kgs, while the sensitivity stands at 94 dB. The bullet resonator in the cone enhances the sound output quality. You will also find a black stamped steel basket for the protection of the speakers after mounting. In our list, the number 2 product name is Pyle 6.5 component speakers for car audio. Vehicle speaker set. This car audio speakers component kit includes two 6.5 inches SVC speakers, two aluminum tweeters, and two crossover networks. It also has included grills, wires, and mounting hardware for convenient installment to your vehicle. 150 watts maximum power, handle and blast away loud music in your vehicle with this speaker set, as its woofer can handle up to 150 watts and the included tweeters can handle up to 120 watts maximum. A great upgrade for your vehicle's sound system. Built to last, this car audio speakers component kit will surely prove its longevity for the long run. Featuring a non-fatiguing butyl rubber surround and carefully engineered material, the speaker set can surely handle hours non-stop music. Quality audio with a 4 ohm impedance and a wide range of response. This speaker set ensures low distortion for your audio and will surely bring out a crystal clear sound for your music. It is also built with a 1.5 high temperature ASV voice coil. Vehicle compatibility with a standard size of 6.5. This speaker set is compatible to fit in original equipment manufacturer OEM locations for most vehicles. You can also mount it either surface or flush mount with its included grills and mounting hardware. In our list, the number 1 product name is Gravity Audio Component Speaker System. Enhance sound quality. Upgrade your car audio experience with a 170 watt RMS 500 watt peak power 6.5-inch component speaker set featuring a mid-bass, tweeter, and crossover components for superior sound clarity across high, mid-level, and lower bass frequencies. Durable, stylish design boasts an MP cone with a carbon fiber finish and butyl rubber surround for added durability and a sleek look, along with a professional two-way transparent crossover for precise sound filtering. High performance equipped with an aluminum voice coil and a 93 dB sensitivity for powerful and efficient sound output, ensuring you get the most out of your music without needing to max out the volume. Versatile installation comes with a one-balanced dome tweeter that can be surface or flush mounted with the included hardware, offering flexibility and setup to suit any car interior. Comprehensive frequency range. Enjoy a broad frequency response from 70-20,000 Hz with ferrofluid cooled 12 dB octave roll-off for a balanced audio experience capturing every nuance of your favorite tracks.